Hello, I'm Miheer Maniar, student ID 8684917. I'm here to present my PLC project 2. As my lab simulator is not working and the factory talk is not working, I'll be presenting my PDF of the rungs. So this is the main program in which I have different JSR functions that jump to subroutine blocks, and I have different subroutine. The starting two subroutines, RO1 is from project 1 and RO5 is stamp control. The additional subroutines which I have added is RO6, that's pick and place of parts, faults, process timings and measurements. So I'll be skipping the project 1 rungs, ladder diagrams. Also the stamp control. Okay, so this is RO6, pick and place of parts, wherein I have programmed for part stop, for lowering the robotic arm, suction magnet, and raising of the robotic arm. Also, I have extending of the robotic arm and retracting of robotic arm with each of their sensors and input and output conditions. Then I have programmed the faults. There are basically 3 to 4 faults which I have included in the program. The fault 1 is the stamp fault, in which when there is a problem in the stamp or the stamp does not lower in 10 seconds, the stamp fault timer starts and the stamp fault is generated. As similar to that, extend arm and lower arm fault. These two faults are different faults. Like the first one, extend arm fault, is for a robotic arm. If it is not extended in 10 seconds, the fault will be generated. And if the stamp or the robotic arm is not lowered in 10 seconds, the lowered arm fault will generate. Also, if there is an emergency stop button pressed, the emergency stop fault will be generated in 5 seconds. And all of this will give a flashing indicator of the fault indicator light, that is the red TP light. And for flashing this, we are using one T on delay timer, and it will flash the light for on and off for 1 second each. Then we have the process timings. In process timings, we have different process timings, and then we have CTU, that is for cycle counter. Then we have programmed for stamp counts, and those counters will be reset by stop PV. And then we have different measurements wherein weight and pressure measurement are being used using the compute instructions, and we move this to the real .tp.plc, in which we display it on the HMI with processing it according to the requirements. Also, we have a bad part reject light which detects and checks the weight of the part. Is it between 80 to 120 grams? That's all. Thank you.